Tired of endlessly scrolling through your massive Excel sheets? Let's unlock the power of Excel search and pinpoint exactly what you need, fast. First up, the classic find feature. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. Type the text or number you're looking for in the Find What box. Then, click Find Next to highlight the first instance of your search term. Keep clicking to cycle through all matches. Now, let's get a little more advanced. Did you know you can use wildcards? An asterisk represents any number of characters, so typing AP will find apple, April, or anything starting with AP. A question mark represents a single character H. Q would find hat, hit, and hot. For even more control, explore filtering. Go to the Data tab and click Filter. Little drop-down arrows will appear in your column headers. Click one to sort, filter by specific values, or even use number or text filters for greater precision. And there you have it. With these search techniques, you'll conquer even the most daunting spreadsheets in no time.